Welcome to SPSS Lesson 4. Today we're diving into importing data from Excel and CSV files. Learning to import your bulk data efficiently is crucial for any data analysis project. Let's get started. Our goal is to turn you into an import pro, effortlessly handling large data sets. Excel and CSV are common formats, and SPSS makes it simple to pull this data in for analysis. I'll now walk you through a quick demonstration of the import process, step by step. First, go to File, select Open, and then Data from the menu bar in SPSS. Crucially, you need to set the correct file type, either Excel or CSV, depending on your source file. Navigate to the location of your data file, select it, and click Open to begin the import wizard. The import wizard offers various options, such as selecting specific worksheets or data ranges within an Excel file. You can define your variables, data types, and value labels right in the import dialog to prepare your data correctly. A powerful feature is the ability to recode variables during the import, saving you time on data cleaning later. Be sure to handle any missing data codes in your file, assigning them correctly to ensure accurate analysis. Once imported, your data will appear in the SPSS data view. But don't forget the final step. Go to File and Save As to save your newly imported data as an SPSS native .sav file. The .sav format is optimized for SPSS, ensuring faster loading and preserving all your variable definitions and data setup. Congratulations! You've successfully imported and prepared your data in SPSS. Importing big data sets is easy now. In the next lesson, we'll start running some descriptive statistics on our data. Join us next time as we begin the exciting world of data analysis with descriptive statistics.